If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers with the Missouri Department of Conservation were on patrol when they conducted a resource inspection on a vessel exiting a boat ramp.
Howdy, sir. How you doing?
All right, how are you? How's fishing?
What? Yeah. What, sir?
Keep a lot?
You got a hoist to get me out of here?
Get what? They can grab your arms and I'll grab your legs.
Yeah. I think you just ride in there on the way home, can't you? Hell, you get old.
It sucks, doesn't it?
Catch a bunch of fish? Good deal.
We'll take
Couple of crappie and one walleye.
Oh,
Good. About a limit of weight.
Awesome. Yeah.
Take a look at them real fast. Yeah. Some in back there and there's some here.
Where's one?
There's the crown.
Yeah, if I had to hop up in there and see that, I can't. Yeah, they're all whites over there. You might hop up in there. There's some in the front too. I can't see in there. It's a bigger live well, it looks like.
One walleye and a couple crappie in here.
Does this open up as a live?
Yep.
Okay. These are all whose?
Huh?
These are all your whites?
Them are all whites.
Okay.
Need help getting out or?
Yeah, I'll get out over there when you get down here. Oh, we just, he moved to the back and we I said we
Everybody's just kind of.
I said we about got a limit up there with the separate. Sometimes some guys don't care, but you're really supposed to keep them separate.
Yeah, you're supposed to keep them separate, especially when you get a limit. So.
And since y'all got two live wells, it's pretty easy to.
Right.
So these fish back here are yours? All of them are yours? You both said earlier that they're all his.
I was sitting there,
Mm-hmm.
and I was putting up here, and I...
He caught the walleye and the two crappie, so we put them up there. He just wanted to
How many white bass are up there?
16. I got a bucket.
Yeah, I got a bucket. Yeah, I'll get them and count them. It's cracked, so it might leak. You may hold that bucket.
I think it's okay right here.
Looks like it might start flopping up. 7.
10, 11.
When it started out, we wasn't even thinking of getting anywhere close to it.
Yeah.
15.
First 3 hours was pretty sad.
Yeah.
16.
That's the way it runs on me. You run into me. Doesn't go to biting in us.
18. 19.
Is that it on that? Looks like it.
Yep.
19 here.
19 in there. Pop up here in front of you real quick. You mind if I pull your seat out and just open it all the way up?
No, we've seen, I don't think we've seen a limit of crappie. Alright, we need to see. Alright. Need help, bud? Sir?
What's turn, dude?
Yep. Yeah, right. You got a good idea also. No, you're fine.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
Just biting too good?
Right at the end, the last couple hours.
Yep.
First 3 hours.
Lost track.
Yeah. Should be 5 live ones in there at least, isn't there? Between these two, you might be able to release some back.
Watch that fishing pole there, Dirk.
They need some for supper.
No.
Yeah, ain't gonna be us. Doesn't work that way.
I think they're all about belly up. I don't know. We'll just probably give them to somebody else.
Actually, I got right here.
Doesn't take them long when that water stops moving. They start bellying up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna write you one ticket. I'm gonna write one ticket. I mean, I'm not gonna write for every fish, and well, I mean, we got separate and ID issues, but I'll just write you a ticket. And is your address correct? Okay. I'll get back with you. You guys finish packing up and.
Last week,
Here's your ID and your permit. So, like I said, I wrote you for the possession of the over limit of white bass. There is a court date of June 10th at 10 o'clock in Greenfield. You do have the option to pay that prior to that. That'll explain how you can go online and pay it.
How much is that going to be?
I can't tell you an exact amount on that. It's been a while on the white bass, so I don't know exactly. It's probably going to be maybe 130, 150, somewhere in there.
All right.
But, I mean, like I said, I just wrote you for the one. I could write you for the 5, and you know.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah, make sure you get it taken care of.
Clicker or something in there.
So I would give it a couple weeks before you look for it if you want to go online to pay for it, because our process is
I won't
part-time.
go online. I'm just going to mail it in off this, but I got to call them.
You can call them. I think you can call them or go online and pay it. So however you want to do it.
internet there at the house, so I'll have to go.
Yeah, you can just call the courthouse and you can pay it over the phone. However you want to take care of it, or if you want to come to court.
Courthouse.
Greenfield, yep.
All right, I'll call them.
Yep.
Well, he's hovering right around.
All right. Have a good one.
In total, the officers located 35 white bass, placing them 5 over the legal limit. Scott was charged with taking or possessing over the legal limit of white bass. He pled guilty to the charge and paid the $110.50 fine. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.